Are you looking for the best multi-cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best multi-cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Zavor LUX LCD. The 6-quart Zavor LUX LCD is the highest rated model in our multi-cooker ratings, and for good reason. It receives perfect scores in our tests for pressure cooking succulent, fall-off-the-bone ribs, steaming broccoli and carrots, and slow-cooking thick, tender chili. On top of that, its rice cooking performance is very good. The 1000-watt cooker has a stainless steel insert, which proved to be more durable than non-stick coated inserts in our tests. Number 2. Breville Fast Slow Pro BPR 700 BSS. The 6-quart Breville Fast Slow Pro BPR 700 BSS has a pressure cook mode and, like all the cookers with that mode in this group, aces our test of that function. It's also masterful at slow cooking. Our beef stew turned out tender and ready to eat in 5 hours, and the chili was tender and delicious in 7 hours. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1, 8QT. This 8-quart Instant Pot is one of the largest pressure cookers we've tested. It's also one of the best performers in our lab tests. The 1500-watt cooker excels at both pressure cooking and slow cooking, and it does a respectable job at sautéing. It's loaded with features, including an air frying mode and a 2-tier air fry basket, dehydrate function, stainless steel inner pot, and storage cover. Number 4. Instant Pot Max 6QT. The 6-quart Instant Pot Max is impressive, particularly when it comes to making rice and sautéing, receiving very good scores in those modes. But here's our beef: every time we made chili using dried beans in pressure cook mode, a food burn message appeared as the cooker was reaching pressure. We had to stop, stir the chili, close the lid, and let it reach pressure again. Number 5. Blue Diamond Weekday Wonder 16-in-1 CC004430-001. The Blue Diamond Weekday Wonder has an impressive overall performance. It's stellar at pressure cooking and sautéing, and functions as a great slow cooker and rice cooker as well. Its one downside is that the steaming performance is just so-so. This model comes with a 2-year warranty and accessories including a steam rack, measuring cup, spoon, and condensation collector.